Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install 8-Ball Pool on your iOS device. To download 8-Ball Pool on iOS device is super easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in 8-Ball Pool. Look for this application from miniclip.com and tap the Get button to start downloading the app on your iOS device. 8-Ball Pool is a popular online billiards game that lets you challenge friends or play with players from around the world. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and you can then open up the app and get ready to enjoy exciting pool matches, challenge friends, and rise through the ranks. So that's how you easily download and install 8-Ball Pool on your iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.